Good afternoon, everyone. I hope that you're all fine. I'm also well. This is JD Bomb in front of you. Now I'm to talk about English Lab. I'm a student at English Lab of Mirpur 10, Sesewrapara, Dhaka. The English Lab is a very beautiful and very nice, comfortable and good environment and digital lab. So it is very helpful for our teaching and our education. Do you know English is very important for our life? It is international language. It uses many kinds of purpose: business, students, job, and studies, communication, other people's, communication, other country, and technically. That's why learning is very important. The English Lab is I practice all time. Every day. I learn every day new lesson, new work, new communication, conversation. So every day I learn reading, listening, speaking, writing, and listening skill. So every day, every time, our teachers all time encourage me and support all time. And then I'm grateful our teachers and our classmates, your support and encourage me. I believe that hard working and regular practice, one day I will be achieved fluently English speaking. So this is my topic. Thank you for listening. My little topic speech presentation. Thank you.